Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the current MySQL version on Windows 11. We will install the MySQL Server, Shell as well as Workbench. So let's start. At first go to the web browser. On Google type MySQL and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, mysql.com. Click on it. Here is the official website. Go to downloads. Click on it. Now go below. After reaching below, you need to click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. Now you will reach the MySQL Community download section. Click on MySQL installer for Windows. Now we have the current version 8.0.38. Okay, it by default selected the Windows OS. Now two versions are visible, 2.1 MB and 303 MB. You need to click on the following. Okay, it's written 32-bit, but this works for both 64-bit as well as 32-bit Windows operating system. Click download. Now herein click no thanks, just start my download, and now the download started. Let's wait, it's only 304 MB. So guys, we have downloaded the MySQL installer file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Now the setup started. You need to select the setup type. We want to know what we are installing, so I'll go for custom. Click next. Now select products, click on the first one, click on the drop down, then the MySQL server, then 8.0, and here is the current version. Click here to drag. Now this is what we will install later. Now go to applications, click on Workbench. 8.0 and 8.0.38 is visible. 64-bit you can see, and just drag it like this. Now the last one, shell, here it is. Drag it. Okay, now click next. We'll be installing all three. Click next. Ready to install. I'll click execute now. One by one it will install. Now guys, click next. Ready to configure, click next. Here in type and networking, the port is 3306. Keep it as it is and click next. Authentication method, keep the default, it is recommended. Click next. Now we need to add your password. Create your own password. Root means the admin. So I'll create my own password. You can also use my password because we are only working on localhost. Okay, now click next. You need to remember this password. Windows service, everything looks fine. Click next. Server file permissions, keep the default, yes, grant full access. Click next. Apply configuration and click execute. Now it will install one by one. We have configured. Now click finish. Product configuration, click next, and that's it. Now when I'll click finish, it will open Workbench and shell. I'll click finish. Okay. This is the Workbench and this was the shell. But we need to also set the path. So I'll go to C drive, program files, and we installed it here. Here it is, MySQL server bin. Copy this path, minimize, go to start, type environment variables, click open under system environment variables. Under system properties, click environment variables. Okay, go to path, under system variables, double click. Now click new and right click and paste the same path. Okay, the bin path. Okay, click OK and the last OK. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd, click open. Now guys, type the command MySQL space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed the current version. Now let us start the server. MySQL hyphen u for user. Remember our user was root, that means the admin. Space hyphen p and press enter. Enter the password which we entered before and press enter again. Herein you can see we successfully started a server for the first time, MySQL server. Now let us check the default databases using the show databases command. Okay, here it is, the default databases. We can quickly create a new database also using the command create database. Let's say my database name is AmitDB. Press enter and you can see we successfully created a new database because query OK is visible. Now type the same command show databases. So it is show databases semicolon and press enter. This shows that we successfully created a new database. Now we can also start Workbench. Click here, enter the same password. Okay. Now you can see we are inside our MySQL Workbench. So guys, we have free tutorials on MySQL as well as MySQL Workbench. You can refer the link in the description of this video for the tutorials. Also, if you want to get certified, we have mentioned our website link here to get a certificate of completion for these courses also. Thank you for watching the video.